Hi, this is Tracy at InLine Ovals, and today we're going to talk about quick and easy steps to creating a uniquely shaped picture frame. At some point in time, a client will come looking for a non-traditional shape. Here at InLine Ovals, we can custom build non-traditional shape frames for objects and pictures. Almost all of our profiles and finishes can be customized to any shape and size. Your framing options are almost limitless. Once you and your client have decided on your frame style and color, the next step is to prepare the template. Begin by tracing an object or freehand draw a template on anything but tissue paper. Please don't cut it out. Add an allowance for a mat board spacing if required. The line you draw becomes the rabbit size unless specified differently. Pricing is calculated from United Inches, which is length plus width. Whether you choose a circle, oval, rectangle, or some other non-traditional shape, it will all cost the same. Include the following information on your template. Remember, almost every frame, profile, and finish is available. Fold it up, place it in an envelope, and mail it to the correct address. Once we have received your template, you will receive a call or an email for your order confirmation and a deposit before we start your order. In review, choose your profile and finish. Trace or draw your template, add extra room if needed, include the following information, fold and mail to InLine Ovals. We will create a customized and unique frame that, with your expertise, will become a cherished treasure for your clients. Thanks for watching, and contact us with any questions.